Hello and good day. I am Jim Meisner with Cardinal Financial, based here in Vancouver, Washington. And today I have the good pleasure of meeting with Jayme Mercer with American Family Insurance. Jayme, can you please tell our friends out here who you are, who your team is, and what makes you different?
Yeah, absolutely. My name is Jayme Mercer with American Family, born and raised in Vancouver. We are a team of highly trained professionals. We have a team of 8 people here locally, engaged in the community, various nonprofits that we serve with and on the boards. And then our goal is to provide the best customer service with an elevated experience as much as possible.
Good being the enemy of great, what do you and your team do to be great rather than just meet the expectation?
Yeah, absolutely. We understand that we're a reflection of you. So we want to go above and beyond to make sure that we take care of your client, which ultimately makes you look better and more happy and satisfied with us.
How have you been able to so effectively do that with your staff to really give a consistent level of service regardless of who picks up the phone?
Yeah, well, I think it starts that we're in a service business. We understand that without the clients, we're not in business. Sure. So we have to go 110% every single time to make sure that we're exceeding their expectations, because without them, we're not here. Jim, I have a question for you. We've been blessed to receive referrals and been able to help your clients, which is the highest honor that we receive. But from your perspective, why do you send people to us?
What I look for in business is beyond just, the numbers themselves. They're there. You've done that. You've delivered that. You've delivered it for me. You've delivered it for my family. So for me, when I'm referring you, I'm not referring from an outside source. I'm referring from an inside source. I know the service that we have received. I know the coverage that we have on our property. It helps us to achieve what I call SWAN, sleeping well at night. And you've helped to provide that. But other pieces of that, on the professional part, it's not just a relationship, though I do appreciate the relationship, but it is the service. When I call you or any member of your staff, we get a cheerful voice on the other end of the phone. Oftentimes we are needing policy quotes and we are needing them fast. Others I've worked with make us wait around for a quote for policies, maybe a day, 2 days. Your office is typically delivering that within hours. When we need a binder, we get the order in. By end of day, we have what we need. That helps us to be more efficient and more effective for our clientele. So in many ways, I don't just see you as a referring partner, I see you as a partner. So I've appreciated that. It gives me confidence when I do refer you. Jayme, I want to thank you for spending this time with me here today. It's always a pleasure to get to spend some time with you, anybody on your team. You're going to be at an event here coming up shortly at the KFA event. I guess you're going to have a booth there as well. That being the case, I would encourage any of you realtors, basically anybody in the room, stop by. See Jayme at the event. I think you'll have a great time and you'll be glad you did. Jayme, do you have any closing statements?
Jim, just to echo what you said, I greatly appreciate the time. We're really honored to be involved with this. Would love to meet you. I do believe that we will provide an elevated experience if you give us a shot. So thank you and have a great day.